When you change infrastructure, it's very much akin to changing the infrastructure in a city. It's no small undertaking when there's already buildings that exist. That's why we turn to Google Cloud as a partner.
When I talk to customers, the common theme I hear from every customer is they want to be able to innovate more quickly.
But the data landscape is more complicated than it used to be. People need to actually bridge between all these different systems.
All the devices, all the mobile apps, all the things in your world that are generating millions, billions, trillions of transactions.
In the past, that used to be all stored in databases that were great at storing structured data, but really bad at storing how data was related.
And as people now start moving workloads from on-premise to the cloud, they have to start thinking about what is the database they want to run those workloads on.
With Google Cloud, you get the advantage of being able to access a tremendous amount of ML, AI capability and other services.
And data centers in many, many, many locations all around the world that enterprises could never afford on their own.
This is all about real-time streams of events and how can you harness all the streams of data they have while they're interacting with the customer.
I started Elasticsearch on my own, and there was no way that a single person will be able to successfully create such a tool with such a level of adoption without open source.
The richness of that ecosystem opens up this whole marketplace of data systems that you can take advantage of.
And the key constituent to do that is the developer, being able to select the technologies that enable them to innovate as quickly as possible.
And that's where Google really has something special to offer. The way they think about this problem set is very builder developer oriented, which is unique among the major cloud providers.
Enabling the collaboration of the person that produces a software and the person that consumes the software. Whenever you collapse these two together, that's when magic happens.
Putting all these open source companies in one place is a really smart strategy. The customer can go to one place and get best of breed solutions with a unified experience.
This partnership is about this next generation of open source companies building these increasingly smarter systems.
Things that may have seemed insurmountable just a few years ago now become imminently possible.
Google is actually the fastest growing part of our cloud business today, and we think we're just scratching the surface.